Welcome back, ladies, to the Grown Women's Table. Ladies, it's your girl Lori. Hey girl, hey, how y'all doing today? You guys, you know what time of month it is, right? It is Beauty Over 40 collab time. And you guys, I am working with all these beautiful women, and this month's theme is we're doing looks based off of the trending colors for spring and summer of 2021. So that's what we're doing. And if you want to see how I got my look, and if you want to see the looks that all the ladies did, all you gotta do is just keep on watching and check out the description box.
If you need some advice or looking for an idea, just to get some tips, you can get that right here. This is Lori's life, yeah, this is Lori's life, yeah. Check out Lori's life, yeah, this is Lori's life.
Alright y'all, let's get into this video. So I am doing a collab with my girls with Beauty Over 40, and you guys know I love working with these ladies. They are some wonderful, beautiful ladies. All of their information will be in the description box, so make sure you go and check out their videos. Now each month we have a different theme. And this month's theme for January, we wanted to do a look using the trend colors of 2020 springs, well, the spring and summer colors. And let me show you guys what the colors look like. Those are the colors that are supposed to be trending for this summer, the spring and summer. Now, if you know me, tell me which color I'm about to work with y'all. I know y'all know. I know you know. Which color your girl's doing today? Yep, you're right, the very last one. And this color is called Oxy Fire. And the definition of this color is, Oxy Fire is an orange and bright red, and that is fiery. Hello. And it's saturated, and it guarantees to spark a reaction. I was like, oh, I love the definition of that. But it's an orange with a red undertone. So I went through my collection. I was like, what color do I have like that? Y'all, look what I picked up. I haven't used this in such a long time. The Spicy Batch palette from Tarte. And when you open it up, it screams Oxy Fire. And the shade that I'm going to be using is this one right here. And for some reason, okay, there you go. I was gonna say it wasn't really coming across as that orange red, but that is it, you guys. So let's get started. I'm just going to do a really simple look. Really simple. So what I'm gonna use as a transition color will be this color right here. Guys, do you follow the trend? Like, are you one of those people that follow the trend, or do you just kind of do, whatever you want to do? I'm in the middle. There's some things that trend that I like that I may do. And then there's some things that I'm just like, I'm just not here for it. So I'm half and half. You guys know I live near an airport, so ciao. So all I'm doing is I'm just putting this in the crease area and almost over the whole lid, just to give this other color something to play with. We don't want to be on the playground all by ourselves. And that's what that looks like. Okay, y'all, now the next shade is this one right here. And I'm going to put that in the crease. Just lightly. But yeah, I am definitely loving the colors that they do have, because those greens, oh my gosh, those aqua-like colors look so pretty. I feel like those are going to be gorgeous for the spring and the summer. Like, very pretty. Because I was looking at them and I was like, well, what am I gonna do? And that orange just automatically called out to your girl. But those other colors are very pretty. And I do like me a nice springtime shade. Like, what season, you guys, tell me what season is your favorite season as far as colors. Like, I like spring, I like the pastel-y colors. But then I also do like fall, because I love browns too. So, and burnt oranges. So I think maybe the fall and the spring are my two favorite seasons when it comes to colors. All right, you guys, so I just added that into the crease on both sides. Now, we are going to go in with my, I haven't even told y'all what brushes I've been using. I've been slacking, my bad. This is my mini booster. And now I'm gonna actually go in with the color. And we're gonna put that on the edge. Ooh, silky, silky now. Oh, silky, silky now. That is pretty. Oh, y'all, I'm liking this shade. And you know what? You would think it'd be really bold, but I mean, it is, but let me build it up. Maybe I need to build it up some. Hold on. Okay, yeah, I was gonna say, because it's not really coming across that bold, but let me build it up. This is such a pretty, and it's definitely fiery. I will give it that. And I haven't even used this palette in so long, y'all. I was like, I gotta pull out the Tarte palette, because that was almost the first palette I thought about when I thought about this color, because I remember it had these shades in it. I was like, let me pull Tarte on out. And on my complexion, honey. And I can see how they say this is a summer and spring, because it's definitely bold enough and bright enough for the summertime. And y'all, you see I'm just packing it in and building this color up. Don't be afraid of colors either, you guys. Don't be afraid of nice bold colors, because you can always work them to your liking. They don't have to be super duper bold. You know what I mean? You can always tone it down if you want to, but it's nice to dab into color. Okay, so both eyes are done. I know it look a mess, but it's a process. We can go back in with this shade just a little bit over the edges. Blend out these edges. You guys, you definitely have to check out my ladies from Beauty Over 40. When I tell you, you guys, they are some sweet and wonderful women. They really are some sweet and wonderful women. And I really, really, truly enjoy working with them every single month. And if you are a woman that's over 40, you know, if you want to participate, you definitely just leave it in the comment section and we can hook you up, girl. The more the merrier. But yeah, these ladies in this group are so nice. And I love it because, you know, sometimes people say when you get older, you're only supposed to do this, you're not supposed to do that. But with this group, you could do whatever. There's no limits. You know, we don't put limits on each other. Like, people come up with ideas. It's like, yeah, we could do that. Okay, y'all, so I'm liking this. But this is a little dark up in here, so I'm gonna go in and add a little bit of this yellow. Just a little bit, just a little bit, just a little bit in the brow bone area. Let's see if it's gonna show up. Okay, there we go. There we go. I was getting ready to say. Okay, y'all, I'm about to do something that you know your girl don't ever do, but we stepping out. It's 2021. I'm gonna do a little half cut crease. Yeah, you heard what I said. So I'm just gonna use my caffeine concealer with my Anastasia Beverly Hills 18 brush. And we're gonna cut this out a little bit. Y'all know I don't do cut creases. Y'all know this is not your girl's specialty. Got me sweeping over here. Just a little cut crease, not much. We not, you know. And now I'm gonna take this shade right here and pat that in. See y'all got me out in these streets doing stuff I don't normally do. Oh Lord. Oh. Ooh. Ooh, child. Oh. I don't know what football team colors is these, but I know it gotta be somebody's colors. Y'all in the comment section, y'all sports girls, let me know. Let me blend these colors in. Oosh. Cause I definitely don't want no whole line going down the middle of my eye. So I'm just blending these together. Alright, y'all, what y'all think of that? I don't know. I think it's okay for a girl that don't do cut creases. Okay, y'all. I think this is okay for a baby cut crease. You know, it's a baby cut crease. I went in and did the other eye. So we got a little baby cut crease going on here. I know all my cut crease queens out there will be so proud of me today. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna go clean up under my eye, do my complexion, and I'll be back to do the lower lash line. All right, y'all, I'm back. Let me tell you what I did to the face. I used the Fenty as the foundation, the powder foundation. I set with my Giorgio Armani in the center. For a highlight, I did a mixture of the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Star along with the Natasha Denona, this shade right here. I mixed those together. And what else did I do? Oh, for my blush, I used the Sasha blush in burnt orange. And for the lippy is like a little combo. I used Chestnut Liner, Broken Born by MAC in the center all the way around. And then right on the edges, I used a little bit of the this is Color Rain, and it's in Spike Punch. So basically, that's what your girl got. And I got on lashes. Yes, lashes for your girl. And they're by Velour. And they're in the shade or the style Can't Be Tamed. Thank you, Bridget. Now, let's get into the rest of this look. Okay, y'all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the main color. And we're going to put that on the lower lash line with my Sonia G Builder 3 brush. I'm just going to add a little bit of that under here. Not a lot. But I do want to tie it all together. That's pretty. And you see, I didn't go in a lot because I feel like there's a lot going on at the top. I didn't want a lot at the bottom. Okay, the next thing I want to do is I'm going to go into this yellow shade right here. And I'm just going to put it right in this area. I'm just putting it in right in here. I'm going to try to see if I can get it to build up a little bit. Just to lighten this little area up. I don't want it glittery though up under there. Y'all see that? Very lightly. As a matter of fact, you know what? I'm going to see if I can wet this. See if that'll help it show up a little bit better. Because it's not showing up the way I want it to. Let's try this again. A little bit better. Okay, there we go. See how it gives it a little bit of brightness, but I didn't want the glitter down in there. Let me do the other eye. Alright, y'all, so this is my look for the springtime color. And I really like this Oxyfire shade, like this whole vibe going on with the Oxyfire. And yeah, I cannot wait, first of all, to see what the other ladies are doing and what colors they're going to use. And I just know these guys are going to do an amazing job. As per usual, you guys, I enjoy doing these videos with Beauty Over 40. I have a great time. They always kind of push your girl out the box. And don't forget, ladies, check out all of the women's information. It will be in the description bar. And also, don't forget to tell your girl about your girl so they can come and check out my channel. And make sure you follow me on Instagram at It's Lori's Life. And that is it, y'all. This is the whole look. And I hope you guys liked it, and I hope you enjoyed this video. So to all my new subscribers, I see you and I appreciate you. And if you haven't subscribed yet, girl, hit that button so that I can save you a seat at the grown women's table. And until the next video, bye-bye, ladies.
If you need some advice or looking for an idea, or just to get some tips, you can get that right here. This is Lori's Life, yeah, this is Lori's Life. Check out Lori's Life, yeah, it's Lori's Life.